So today, let's take a deep dive into the Citroën DS21, a vehicle that still fascinates car enthusiasts around the world. Starting with the design, the Citroën DS21 is a marvel. Its sleek, aerodynamic body was way ahead of its time. It had a flowing, teardrop shape that not only made it look beautiful but also served a functional purpose by reducing drag. The front end featured distinctive, swiveling headlights that turned with the steering wheel, a feature that was groundbreaking in the 1960s. This not only enhanced visibility but added a futuristic feel to the car. Now, let's talk about the ride quality. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the DS21 was its hydropneumatic suspension system. This system allowed the car to essentially float over road surfaces, providing one of the smoothest rides of any vehicle of its era. Imagine cruising down the road, and no matter how many bumps or potholes you hit, it feels like you're gliding on air. That's the kind of experience the DS21 offered, and it made long-distance travel an absolute pleasure. Moving to performance, the DS21 was equipped with a 2.1-liter inline-4 engine that produced around 109 horsepower. Now, by today's standards, that might not seem like much, but for its time, it provided more than enough power to handle city and highway driving. The engine was paired with either a 4-speed manual or an optional semi-automatic transmission, giving drivers a choice in how they wanted to experience the road. Its handling was equally impressive, especially considering its size. The car's advanced suspension made cornering smooth and controlled, which was rare for vehicles in that era. Inside, the cabin was equally innovative. The DS21's interior focused on comfort, with spacious seating and a dashboard design that was minimalistic yet functional. The steering wheel featured a single-spoke design, which not only looked cool but also improved driver visibility of the instruments. Citroën thought of everything when it came to user comfort, from ample legroom to intuitive controls. What made the Citroën DS21 truly stand out, though, was its ability to combine luxury with practicality. It was a car that appealed to a wide range of people, from heads of state to everyday drivers. Its innovative technology, combined with its undeniable charm, made it a favorite across Europe and beyond. In conclusion, the Citroën DS21 was, and still is, a car that captures the imagination. Its groundbreaking design, incredible ride comfort, and forward-thinking features made it a true icon of its time. Even today, it remains a symbol of what happens when you push the boundaries of automotive design and engineering.